Hey guys, so it's been like 3, 4 days after my initial shopping trip, so my bad. But we're back, and now I'm gonna show you what I got from the dollar store and AC Moore. So here's what we got. We got some really pretty poinsettias to go with these like how many did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bushels of these beautiful gold and red. I guess they're like stems. So I'm going to do a couple of floral arrangements with these. Then I also picked up this garland because I'm going to make a what's that thing called? When you hang things, it'll come to me. Is it called garland? No, I'm lying. Forget it. Anyways, so I got this garland and I got some interesting things to hang off of it. These cute reindeer. As you can see, I have a theme, gold and red. These red bows, super glitzy, like love. And then I got these bells and I'm gonna paint them and I think I'm gonna write a couple cute holly jolly words on them. And then because it's still not Thanksgiving yet, I wanted to keep that harvest feeling. So what I did was get this from the dollar store. Let me pan out for you. Get this from the dollar store, and what my thoughts are is that I'm going to decoupage these napkins over it to give it a fun little design, because this is very farmhouse and I am the complete opposite of farmhouse. So I think what we'll do at first is get started on the thing that I still can't remember. It'll come to me. And we're going to start by fixing up these bells. All right, so what I got here is just pretty rough paintbrush, nothing fancy. And I am just going to brush on this white paint. I'm thinking that I will do these backgrounds in either black or white, or maybe a mixture of the both, and then write the words in red. Actually, I could write them in red and gold to really stick to my whole theme. I think that'll look nice. And I'm not using anything super fancy or heavy because I do want these to dry quickly. But I am going to do both sides just because in the case that this thing starts rotating, it looks good from all angles. And if I was an overachiever, I might even have a different saying or different words on the back of these bells so that, when you get tired of looking at them one way, you flip it around and get a whole new message. So I probably won't be an overachiever today, but if you want to, go for it. All right. That one's done. So I'm just going to go through and finish painting the rest of these. And I think I will wait for one side to dry before I paint the other. You'll live and you'll learn. So now while these dry, I'm just going to think of words that I can put on here. I've got 5 bells, so have yourself nope. We wish you a Merry Christmas, maybe. Option. Jingle bell rock. Blessed and highly favored. Amen. It's an option. Be blessed, be merry. Be blessed and be merry. Oh. Solved it. That's cute. Alright, one side is almost done. And this is how we do light coatings. It dries super fast. Super fast. Okay. Garland. Dang it. Tinsel. let's move on to getting the rest of the garland appropriate. Now, this garland is a solid 18 feet, but I don't need all that. So let's see what size we want. Let's see what size we want. Okay. So what we're gonna do is take our little cute reindeer ornaments. Hi. And we've got 5 of these. Cool. Working at odds. 5, 5, and 3. Solid. And oh. We are one. If we take some scissors, snip it, and then re-tie it around, that might make it more manageable, easy to work with, not counterproductive. Okay. All right. Yeah. That worked. Boom. So what I think we'll do is, tasty, pardon me. We will go reindeer, bell. What are you called? A bow. Vocabulary is just lost upon me today. So sorry. Okay. Reindeer, bell, bow. So this will be bell, reindeer, bow. Okay. I mean, we might need to get all 5. At least all 5 bells. So before I continue with this, I'll set that off to the side. It's like dry enough. We've definitely hit the level of good enough. So we're gonna add a layer to the back. Ooh. Tasty sound effects. Am I right? Am I right? Let's look at what we're doing here. And down. Ooh, wait for it. There it is. Okay. Paint. You can color yours whatever color you feel like. Truly. There's so many options. You can make it fit your theme. You can make it for a gift. It's truly whatever you want it to be. I just want to have a clean white canvas as my background. And reversely, if you do like my color choices of gold and red, you could paint the bell like red or gold and then do your words in white. And that can make that pop too. So I love paint because, you know, your options are endless. And make it however you want to. This is for you, boo-boo. You do you, boo-boo. Okay. Let me just bend it so I can mark my place because I'm going to take them out of their packaging. Who am I? I don't know. What kind of witchery is this? There we go. Be smarter than the packaging. Okay. Do I want that to hang? You know, I think I'm just going to... Yeah, I think I'll just loop that around. So, for the bow, what I'm actually going to do is a little dot of hot glue where I want it to go, and I'm just going to fold this over and call it a day. I totally forgot to mention prices. The bows, the bells, the reindeer were all from Dollar Tree. So they each cost me $1 each. And the paint I already have because I have stocked up a mighty selection from AC Moore. So if you do need to go buy paint, then I would go to AC Moore. After your coupon, you can get it for like 30 to 12 cents. So do what's best for you, boo-boo. Oh, and be warned, if you decide to go with the most glittery objects in the store, the glitter will follow you forever and ever in the rest of your days. So beware. Okay, how are we looking so far? Oh, you can't tell because this camera angle is trash. But from my angle, it's cute. We coming along. Okay. And I still have 2 more reindeer and 1 more bow, but I'm kind of out of space for that. So I'll see if I need to add more at the end. Last one. Oh, she ready. She 100% ready. Yes, hunty. Oh, your corners are all types of exposed. Out here, just unappreciated, undone. Like, who got you dressed today? Who? Okay. Okay. Cool. Victory is mine. Yay. All right. So we went with the be blessed and be merry. Okay. Bliggity bliggity black. Let's see, what do I have? That's glass paint. We're not that fancy. Not today. multi-surface paint. Are we that fancy? Oh, my basic acrylic, she ain't open. So we're going with the folk art multi-surface paint in licorice. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I think that black licorice is made by the devil and tastes like actual poop. So that's just my thought. What's yours? Comment down below. Alright, so all I did here was quickly practice on a loose leaf sheet of paper to make sure that it was the right size and font. Then I went ahead and wrote on my bells, be blessed and be merry. Then I took the red and gold paint and I used the ends of 2 paint brushes to make a polka dot and kind of berry heart looking shape. I'm really not quite sure what I did there, but the dots are really cute touch and you can personalize this however you'd like. And this is the final product. Once everything was dried and the bells were tied onto the garland in the gaps. And yes, I now know that it's a garland. I feel like an idiot. It's fine. Make fun of me. I'm making fun of myself. I hope you guys liked it. Seriously, y'all, can't thank you enough for watching. I've got so much more in store, so many more ideas to show you. If there's anything that you'd like to see, please comment down below. And please give this a like because this is just the beginning of this wild, crazy, fun journey. See you guys in the next video. Bye.